guys. I got lucky to pick up a donor car. Something I was gonna think about messing with over, but I'm gonna take parts off of it. Just gonna part it out. Get some parts off of it. I need that for the car. Not bad. Not bad. Get it parked right. Guys, we finally got the car to the house, and when I picked it up, I thought I recorded some footage of us winching it up on the dolly, but obviously I didn't get the footage. Kind of disappointed that I want to show you guys where I picked the car up from. Set up for 25 years and maybe longer than that, and we're going to try to get it started once we get it settled and call my brother over. I think it stays open. Let's check it out. There's more badging. There's more badging. Can use those letters. Those lights are actually better than the one that came off my car. Should probably use those. The hatch is up. Man, all the hatches I see. The molding around the window comes off. It's that glue they use. That stuff is extremely sticky. It gets on your hand, I want to come off. The carpet, guys, this is the original carpet for the trunk. It looks super nice. Man, it's solid. If I can get that sticker off, I can use it. Man, it's solid in here, guys. This is really nice, clean carpet. Original carpet. Guys, extra parts. The seats are not in the best condition. Got some little Kenwood speakers. Very solid. The doors are solid. Got some surface rust right there. Nice panels, just need to clean it up. I don't like that. That was tacky looking. It says it has 74,000, maybe 174. Look at the clock, guys. So we putting the clock in my car. We're gonna put this in mine. I don't know if it bolts up like that. Strange. Yeah, the clock is working. Cool. Yeah, the seats are not the best. Can use a reupholstering. Maybe the T-tops was leaking because how it's rust inside of this. I don't know, maybe not, I don't know. It's on this side too. Maybe water running down here in the seam and running back there. Got a little light. So the T-top's open like that. Push up. Pretty cool. Let's get this pressure washed off, guys. Yeah, so not bad. Just carpet is awful, but an amazing parts hub, guys. This is Parts City. You literally got an entire donor card with every single thing that I can use and need. Really, really excited about this. Like I said, it sucks that it's not nothing I can fix up. Not dealing with no rebuild title, period. But lots of parts. So let's get the back window clean, guys. Got it off, man. Guys, if you haven't checked out my review on this pressure washer, this electric pressure washer just plugs in, you need to go check it out. This thing is amazing. I love this thing. It's portable, compact, super small, easy to use, firm, nice grip handle. I just left the car wash itself, the manual car wash, with my truck, guys, and this thing is pushing out just as much power as that the one at the car wash. It's so powerful. It poured the paint off of here to get those, I don't know what those things are, some kind of organisms or something. Something is growing, algae or some sort, but it's like fossilized. It's stuck in place on that louver. So I got it off, guys. Pretty good. I mean, it pulled the paint up. This is the original factory louver, guys. It's gonna look nice painted. I'm gonna remove it and see it locks here. Just try to get all that dirt and debris from these seams, so when these things, when they slide back, when you unlock them, it's held in place under this trim. You guys can see under this trim. This is a piece of it. So I'm assuming this locks this and releases these from the trim, and you pull it down, this slides in there. So I'm assuming that, I'll see, guys, because there's nothing online that shows with this specific louver how to remove it, or nothing that even remotely close to removing something like this. So we'll see. So stay tuned, guys, for what I'm gonna do with this thing. All my Mustang 2 owners, if you need some parts or anything, let me know. I'm gonna part this thing out, guys. Got all the badges. We're gonna part this thing out. So anybody got a Mustang 2 looking for parts, we'll make it work somehow. All that I don't need, which is not much, because mine is pretty much done. I'm gonna take the lower sections of the quarter. The body shop gonna come do it, and pretty much everything else, even the motor. I'm gonna sell everything off this thing, guys. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Stay tuned for all the cool things. I'm debating on which Camaro I'm gonna start next. I need you guys to get in the comment section and let me know. This thing starts right up too, guys. I mean, it starts right up. It's ready to go. It starts right up right now with no hesitation. So it's gonna either be this one or this guy. So I'm about to pressure wash this back out now, guys. Get all this stuff from off here before I cover it up. Get all this clean and get ready to go. So subscribe to the channel, guys. Terrence and I'm out. Okay, guys, this is the first time on this thing in forever. Gas look yellowish.